So today, following on from my video yesterday of the all-black Toyota Corolla GR Sport Tourer, as seen here. Also, while I was editing the video for the other 3 Tourers that I spotted this. A GR Sport Tourer in grey. They're like London buses. I've not seen one for ages, and I see 2 straight away. So yeah, like I still didn't even know that they had black roof bars, but they do. Because usually they're like a chrome. So yeah, this is what the all grey Tourer looks like in GR Sports Spec. So I thought you'd appreciate seeing the grey one as well. Like I said, I'll tack on the end of the video the black one I saw, so you will look through the inside, etc. on the black one. Have a look at that video at the end, but I just thought, you know what, let's see what a grey one looks like. I said it looked really good, but if you've ever owned a black car before, you know what a pain they are to look after. So then I spotted this and thought, you know what, in silver, that's going to be really easy to look after compared to the black one. And that looks really nice, so I thought you'd appreciate it. Let's have a look at this. I mean, come on, look at this in the sunlight. This is the XL spec. You don't actually see many XL specs. And this is the other thing. It's got the white, clean leather seats. Two litre, we'll show you under the bonnet in a sec. So with the 2 litre denoted by, it has paddle shift either side. This is the 2 litre petrol hybrid, which has the 40 brake horsepower more than the 1.8. Got a little armrest in the middle. It's got another AC adapter and a charge point in there. Got your EV mode there. Wireless charging up here. Your heated seats. Air conditioning. Cool camera though. What else have we got on here? Obviously your sources. Got your sources for radio, DAB, FM, Bluetooth, and apps, etc. For Let's Go DAB, it'll give you, yeah, you can, obviously there's a multitude of options there. You can connect your phone, Bluetooth, your vehicle, trip info, let's go. Energy flow tells you how your battery's doing, how much you got in it. So yeah, all pretty good. What we got up here, auto dimming mirror, you've got the SOS button, you press that. Dials emergency services, pinpoints your location. They ask you what service you require. You've got this, turns your ultrasonics off your alarm. So say like if you leave a dog or a child in the car as you nip into the shops and you want to turn the alarm on but don't want the sensors, so if they rock it will not send the alarm off. You press that and it turns the sensors off, so only if someone opens the door, etc., the alarm will go off. You've got a illuminated mirror there and another one this side, I should imagine. Yeah, there you go. If you look on the reverse camera, it's very clear and very wide. Some of the other models I've looked at, it narrows in on a reversing camera, but yeah, look at that, and it gives you a grid. Makes it very easy to go backwards, and also you get sensors front and back anyway, so you have no excuse to hit anything, you really don't. Hybrid, obviously, auto, boot release, traction off. You can get heated steering wheel, etc. along here, which this one hasn't got. You've got lumbar support down here. It's very bright today. I thought I'd make the most of it. You see that just pops in and out. As with all the hybrids, Toyotas, these are great to drive in. This one's actually got a heads up, but you can just about spot it there. So quiet, so smooth, really nice. So yeah, I'm not the biggest fan of heads up displays because, you know, you can't really see them that often, can you? Don't really find them that use, especially now. Look, we're gonna go into sunlight and it's literally we can't see. But yeah, great cars. If I already reckon, what do you reckon, silver or black? So in the shade you can see it's a bit more visible in the heads up, but as soon as you go in the sun, yeah, look, we'll test it, we'll test it. Yeah, it's not really, you'd rather be looking down here when you, then, what have you got? Electric retractable mirrors, there you go. Actually, if you really, yeah, look, if you look there, you can just see the blind spot monitors, there you go. Have a look in the back. It's got a really nice full leather in here. Center armrest. A couple of little illuminated charge points down there. Windows in the back. What we got here? 60-40 split top tether for your child seats, or you have the Isofix points in the back. So yeah, it was mainly the silver because I thought, you know what? Yes, the black looked really nice, but I've had a black. I just see my other videos. I've looked at loads of cars. I've got a RAV. My RAV on here actually. I was going to part exchange my RAV in, still haven't. Still haven't decided, still looking, still taking you with me on a journey. But look at that in the sun, if I can get my head out of the way. Electric tailgate, cavernous boots on these. I always say these are great value because you get a load of room. Electric up there. What does it look like in the shade? Still looks nice in the shade. And it looks nice because you've got the polished front of the alloys with the grey insert, so it goes really well. What is silver in my opinion? So what do you think? Let's have a quick flick through here, 40 side. Same old, same old. It's mainly the colour, like I said yesterday. On the black GR video, you can turn the airbag off here so you can have the child seat rear facing. Great looking seats though, aren't they? God, that sunlight. Really nice looking headlights on this. As you can see, sensors. Let's get over here, the right side of the sun. You see, it goes for it, and then I'll just tap the screen, see if I can get a better focus, because look at that, that is incredible. So yeah, mainly the colour. What do you think? Would you rather have that silver, which is going to be a lot easier to look after than the black one, or the black one yesterday? Go and have a look at that video. Like I said, I'll tag it on the end. It did look really nice, but in terms of ownership, I think I'd rather have that one, because that does. Look at that in the sun. Admittedly, we don't get that many sunny days, do we? But yeah, I'd choose this one. So as I was leaving, I just spotted two other Taurus in the sunlight, actually. Look at these two. You got Juniper Blue, which looks really nice in that sunlight. Look at that. And Scarlet Flare. Another good looking colour in the sunlight. I think this colour though is really expensive. I think it's like the most expensive because it's got like a flare, like a pearl flare in it. Yeah, I don't know if we can pick it up, kind of. But yeah, that's a really nice colour as well. Look at that. Thought you'd appreciate it. More options. What would you rather have? So we've got the red, the blue, the silver we just looked at, or the black. Let me know. To give a fair comparison, I thought we'd have a look in the shade as well. It's not as standout good looking as it is in the sunlight, is it? It kind of dulls it out a bit. But on a sunny day, it's going to look good. And like I said, I've had a black car, so the black one, for me, will probably be a no, because I know how much of a pain they are to keep clean. Whereas this is going to be a lot easier. The sunlight's there, so bright. Can't complain though. You know I like to moan about the weather. There you go in the shade. You have a great day. I'll see you again soon. I'm going to make the most of this sunshine. As always, if you found that video of use, please do give it a thumbs up. It will help my channel immensely, and I'll see you again soon when I spot something like this that I think you might be interested in. So I'll show you in 4K and take you with me. Yeah, I vote this one. What would you, black or silver? Let me know.